Yeah. Hi everybody, it's Louisa at Now You're Cooking, and we've got a really quick one for you tonight. We're making mulled cider, and I'm going to tell you how to do the same with wine if you would prefer to have mulled wine. I've got my cider on the stove, and it's coming up to heat, and I am going to use some Silk Road mulling spices from Griffin Ridge, which I'm sorry to say we're out of at the moment, but we're getting some in probably either Saturday or next Tuesday or Wednesday, so we will have them in time for New Year's, if you do a New Year's celebration, or any afternoon after you've been out snowshoeing or cross-country skiing or anything where you need to warm up. Really yummy stuff. You can see there's crystallized ginger, there's cardamom, there's cloves, there's things I don't recognize, and there's a clove, and this is, or that's actually vanilla bean, I think, piece of vanilla bean. So this is going to go in. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons or a little more, and I've got about a half gallon of cider in there, which you can find. I got this down at Brackett's earlier today. I have a live audience today for the first time. 2 people, still counts. And they're going to taste that in just a minute, so we're going to let that simmer. But before we do that, I want to mention our winners of our annual gingerbread competition, which was so difficult to choose this year. My gosh, there were such great entries. For the traditional, we have the Bisson family. Won the traditional. Non-traditional is Jean Cumming. She did a beautiful church scene. And then for the kids under 12, we have Helena Hatch, and she did a great job. I think Heather's going to post her video. She did a little video tour of her houses. So we'll be posting that. And so you guys, you winners, will be contacting you if you're not watching. $25 gift certificate for each of you. You can come pick those up anytime. And everybody who entered will get a $10 coupon for use in the store, with the usual exceptions, no alcohol or sale items, things like that. But $10 off. Hey, that's great. And also come check out, our staff made some, and they're in one of our windows, which you can see at some point. So would you ladies like to try this? Okay, I don't know if it's really simmered long enough with the spices. It might be better in a little while. You can also use a bouquet garni bag, or cheesecloth, if you don't want to get the spices in the cups, which can be a little overpowering, but we'll see if we can get you each a cup without any spices. There's one for you, and it is quite hot. It's been simmering for a minute, but it smells amazing. Doesn't it smell good? So again, there is crystallized ginger, cassia, which is a cinnamon, lemon peel, green cardamom, orange peel, cloves, allspice, black pepper, and vanilla bean, and it is absolutely delicious. Delicious, yummy are the comments. And I would love to take this time to also thank all of our fabulous customers that we see day in and day out over the course of the year. We have people who have been coming for 20 years, 22 years. We have some brand new customers. We love you all equally, and we appreciate you all. And thank you for helping us get through the holiday season. We wish you all a very warm, safe, and happy holiday season, regardless of how you celebrate it. And next week we have a wine tasting, and we'll be back to the demos in January. Thank you, everybody. Happy holidays.